Estate planners, you need to hear Shawn's story. If you ever feel like you're spinning your wheels, or wasting money, or just plain overwhelmed with marketing your practice.
For the last 30 days, I've billed 80,000. And if I go back one more month, 160. So, it's like 80 the last couple months. And like during one point in time, I had a rolling 30 days where I actually hit 100,000 in billing. I'm kind of on an island, solo practitioner, and I stay busy enough between that and a family with 5 kids that I don't do a lot of networking stuff or rub elbows with a bunch of other attorneys. And so I never really know how I'm doing, in comparison to kind of what's out there. And so I'm always kind of curious, well, how am I doing? And so I was sharing some numbers with the other attorney that I was talking to who used to work at an estate planning firm. And he said, those are just like amazing, because I'm closing like close to 80% of what I have come in. It's like 76%, I think.
Shawn is an attorney in South Texas and is focused on probate, estate planning, and business planning. And Shawn has a lot of great things going for him. Not only is he experienced and knowledgeable when it comes to estate planning or probate or business planning, but he's also a great guy. And it's obvious when you meet him that he truly cares for his clients. He's the type of attorney that if he meets with a prospect, they trust him and hire him almost immediately. Now, Shawn came to us because he was facing some significant challenges, both external challenges and internal challenges. The external challenges dealt with increased competition, both in terms of new estate planning law firms, I use the air quotes there, popping up, but also increased competition on Google. This led over time to a decrease in lead flow and a decrease in the quality of leads that he was getting. The next challenge that Shawn faced was internal. Shawn knew he had to up his game online, and he began hiring agencies to help. One agency worked on his social media, another worked on his paid advertising and Facebook advertising, while he and his paralegal, his staff, they managed the website, the SEO, the blog, and sort of helping Shawn take care of the website portion of the internet. And frankly, Shawn was having a tough time keeping track of the results. All he knew at the end of the day was that what he was doing wasn't working. The costs were too high and the revenue just wasn't keeping pace with the high marketing cost. What he found was his marketing was disjointed, and he knew he had to make a change. Now, stay with me for a minute to find out how we turned things around for Shawn. To harness the true potential of internet marketing, we had to implement a comprehensive and cohesive strategy that included a number of things. Optimize Google search ads and local service ads. We refined the targeting and the optimization of his ads to ensure maximum visibility and engagement from highly motivated local prospects, folks that are in his local area. We zeroed in on high-intent search terms like best estate planning attorney near me or closest probate attorney. Next, we worked on website optimization. We're making enhancements to really make the website usable and findable by Google. We worked to improve the website's overall organic search rankings and user engagement, just basically making the site the cornerstone of the firm's marketing strategy. We made it crystal clear on each page of the website exactly how the visitor could get help and book a meeting. Next, we worked on optimized content marketing with blogs and newsletters. Providing high-quality, relevant estate planning content, we helped establish Shawn as the thought leader in his local market. And by doing so, attracting and retaining a dedicated readership and showing his online authority both to Google and with the market and the community at large. When we work all of these things together, we're also building authoritative backlinks, which also help his SEO and his website get ranked. Beyond that, we worked on email marketing. We created 2 automated email campaigns, one weekly and one monthly, in the firm's CRM. And then we shared that content, we optimized that content. We got that out there onto the internet, both on social media and to his Google business, to build top-of-mind awareness around his brand and regularly engage both existing and potential clients. So, what were the results? Well, before hiring us, Shawn reported to achieving 8 conversions from an ad spend of $940, with a cost per conversion of around $43 of folks that are actually booking a call. In contrast, we demonstrated a more cost-effective approach. Here's a recap of what we achieved for Shawn. The first is a significantly higher conversion rate. For an ad spend of just over $1,000, Shawn received 43 meeting requests from high-quality leads. This contrasts sharply with the former 8 conversions he had for $940. Not to mention, we also were able to capture a lower cost per conversion. By optimizing the website for conversion, our strategy achieved an average cost per conversion of just $24. That's far below the $43 reported by our competitor, his former agency. And we didn't just stop there for Shawn. What's even more impressive is that we did launch a remarketing campaign, which generated leads at just $7.64 each. My friends, these figures not only underline the precision and effectiveness of our marketing, but also highlight our ability to deliver substantial value at a lower cost. Our approach focuses on maximizing the return on investment, your ROI, ensuring that each dollar spent goes further in generating qualified leads and conversions. If you find yourself struggling with ad spend, your ROI, with consistency in your content marketing, or it's just marketing in general, listen, don't wait any longer. Do what Shawn did. Commit to your own success and book a discovery call with my team. If you need more proof, there are more case studies just like Shawn's you can download on our website. Remember, whoever walks with integrity walks securely.